Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating a unit out of a 1976 Cadillac Dorado. This comes from Alex in San Jose, California. Alex has requested pretty much the all bells and whistles package, modern internal conversion with a Bluetooth, USB reader, and also my cool master input-output box in case the customer wants to use it with an external amplifier. Got your 4-channel preamp outs, got your unpowered sub out, and then you got your aux ins on this box too. So let's go ahead and turn this puppy on and make sure everything works. The copyright thing is just getting absolutely ridiculous. I've got to keep the songs of such short duration that I've got all the presets set to stations in my area, so we'll just run through the presets real quick and make sure it works. Got her set the
FBI. No act or platinum credit card with a feather because we have a neighbor.
Okay, go back to talk radio. Going to demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions, and we're going to need our meters for that. Output level meters. Virtual fader. Here we go. Okay, so now the tone control is adjusting our front rear speaker balance. Okay, I'm going to let it time out. Now we'll adjust the left-right balance. Same procedure, except we turn our tone control twice to the left. Balance adjust. And so now this tone control is adjusting our left-right speaker balance. Okay, going to let it time out. Okay, make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We give our volume control 2 turns to the right. Okay, Bluetooth ready to pair. So now the unit is trying to pair with a portable audio device, and of course I don't do all that on the demo video, just make sure it goes into pairing mode. Let's try our USB reader. I don't know where my radio commercial is at the moment, so we're going to listen to the strains of Mozart. We shouldn't need, I don't think we'll need these meters anymore. Going to plug our USB stick in real quick, listen to some Mozart. Okay, pull the stick. Radio comes back. All right, we're going to try the 8-track function. Neil Sedaka. We're going to switch tracks a bunch of times. Make sure we got all 4 speakers. Okay, and on this unit we pull the volume to eject the tape.
Not completed.
And because we did not have a portable audio device to pair that Bluetooth with, the lady comes back on in 90 seconds saying, pairing not completed. We know the dial light's working, so we don't need to worry about that. So that concludes the test. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for service at 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Alex, for your business. We'll see you guys next time.